In this video, let's talk about a common problem you might face when working with Ruby annotations. You know those small texts we add above or below words, like pronunciations or guides. Sometimes they overlap, sometimes they sit in the wrong place, and the whole text looks messy. That's where CSS Ruby position comes in. This property gives us full control over where those annotations appear, above, below, or even in between characters. And the best part is, you can do all of this with just one CSS property. So stay with me, I will show you what Ruby position is, how to use it with examples, and also what browser support is, along with some best practices you should know. So first, what exactly is Ruby position? It's a CSS property that controls where Ruby text, also called annotations, are placed in relation to the main base text. Now let's look at the values you can use. Over, the annotation appears above the base text. Under, the annotation goes below the base text. Intercharacter, the annotation is placed to the side of each character, which is especially useful for vertical writing. Alternate, the browser decides whether to place annotations above or below, depending on language or writing mode. By default, when you use the Ruby element in HTML with RT element for annotations, the browser usually puts the annotation above the text. But with Ruby position, you finally get full control. Let's look at how Ruby position actually works with an example. First, here's the basic HTML. So what's happening here? The Ruby tag is the container for Ruby text. Inside it, we have the base characters, in this case, Khan and G. The RT tags are the annotations like the pronunciation, Khan and G. Now let's add some CSS. This tells the browser place the annotation below the text instead of above. So now the readings move under the characters. If we change it to over, the annotations go back on top. This is the default behavior. Next, alternate. With this, some annotations may appear above and some below, depending on the language or browser rules. It's useful when mixing scripts. And finally, intercharacter. Here the annotations are placed beside each character instead of above or below. This is especially helpful in vertical writing modes. So with just one property, you control exactly where Ruby annotations appear.